Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own community on Microsoft Teams. So for this, just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams software. From there, you're gonna make sure you're on chat. From here, you need to go inside communities. Just go here, and it will say build your own community. Now to do that, you can either start with a template or click on create your own. And after you click that, you can select the template from here. This is going to make your work easier or create your custom one. Just click on create my community. And after that, just give it a name. I'm going to name mine Takey Leopard. Then you can give your description over here. And after that, you need to read all the community standards. If you want, you can read those and set your community standards over here. And after that, just click on create. Then just give it some time. It will create your own community for you. And there you go. And now from here, you can add your members from here. You can either invite them or add their name or email and send them the invite. If you want, you can create your own events over here as well. And if you want, you can go to your server settings. From here, you can change different kind of settings, change your profile picture and everything. And there's also an option to copy the join link. If you just click on it, it's going to let you copy the join link or invitation link of your server, or rather community. And as you can see, we have created our community successfully. We can add channel from here as well. We can post our announcement or post from here. And that's basically it. And that is how to create your own community in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.